Healing begins with waking up and becoming aware of how we show up in the world. We start to recognize repeating cycles and generational patterns. The first step in healing is finding the courage to say no more and commit to making a change. The healing journey is unique to you and may involve therapy, time away from family, or learning new practices like yoga and meditation. As we discover and heal, it can be confronting, but it's worth it. We connect with a deeper sense of self, make healthier choices, and have healthier boundaries. This gives us more capacity than before to have greater intimacy and energy and move towards meaningful things in our life. I'm Jan, and I'm a licensed therapist, and I share heaps of information about healing. Give me a follow if you're interested in learning more.